name is Lamis, and I'm studying Human Rights and Humanitarian Action at Sciences Po Paris, and I started See My Raqqa in one of my classes.
So See My Raqqa is an online project that I started on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It's a place where I wanted to keep the memory of my hometown Raqqa after it was completely destroyed, because Raqqa was invaded by the Islamic State. And the great thing about creating See My Raqqa at Sciences Po is that I don't only get to test this idea, I got actually great feedbacks from my classmates who they were coming from all over the world, especially with a special case like Raqqa. What I like the most as well about See My Raqqa is that it's becoming a place where people tag each other and say, do you remember this place? Do you remember our memories there? I think it's becoming like a community of people who they want to remember Raqqa and who they think about going back and what they can do in the future. I spent months searching for pictures of professional photographers. And now what's very nice is that even locals send me pictures of their houses, of their favorite places from before. So I get now more and more pictures. I kind of like all the pictures in this project because every time I look at something, I wonder, the people who they are in this picture, are they still alive? Every place has a memory, every place it means something to me. So I can't pick up a favorite picture, especially that the place itself, when you think about the reality of it, thinking that everything I see in the media is destruction, everything I see in the media is rubble. So when I look at these pictures, I feel like I can't find a favorite one because I like all of them. We're gonna start doing projects inside Raqqa, like painting streets with the help with a lot of locals. So many locals are contacting me or friends who they are going back there. So we're trying to do something to keep the image of the place, to keep the historical monuments, trying to do something just for the city.
Sciences Po.